Ninja Slushi stops mid-cycle? Here's what to do. If your Ninja Slushi starts spinning but suddenly stops partway through, maybe with a few beeps, you're likely dealing with a motor stall or overheating issue. Here's what to check if your cycle ends early. Step 1. Let the machine rest and cool down. Unplug it immediately and wait at least 10 minutes. The motor may have overheated from back-to-back uses or a too thick mix. Restarting too soon can cause permanent damage. Step 2. Soften or thin your mix before retrying. Frozen solid pints, syrup-heavy drinks, or unshaken mixtures are harder to process. Let the mix sit at room temp for 5 to 10 minutes, or stir in a splash of cold water to reduce resistance. Step 3. Check for obstructions inside the container. Fruit chunks, candy pieces, or ice blocks can jam the paddle. Open the container and inspect it carefully before trying again. Step 4. Restart with care. Plug the machine back in, reinsert the container, and start your preset again. Watch to see if it stalls at the same point. That could mean the cooling base or internal paddle is worn out. If it keeps stalling, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped your Slushi finish strong, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast fixes that actually work. And if your mix tends to overwork the motor, we've linked a heavy-duty silicone spatula in the description, great for stirring dense drinks safely. Thanks for watching, and swirl steady.